This literature kit on The Sign of the Beaver by Elizabeth George Spear offers students a variety of objective and subjective questions to help them learn the importance of having skills for wilderness survival. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Get a clear understanding of the setting by comparing 1768 with today. Explore the concept of stereotyping with Matt's interaction with Attean. Find the answer that best describes a series of multiple-choice questions. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing an alternate ending to the incident with the bear that reflects how the students would have reacted in that situation. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare Attean's, Matt's, and today's society and culture by finding similarities and differences between food, housing, and clothing. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.